So, how is everyone tonight? Good? You ready? Alright. Let's just take a moment to settle and relax. Alright, it's a lot. Let me introduce you to us. This is Dante, from me, Kevin. You can call me Kimbe. We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics. We search forgotten places and abandoned outposts, planets that have been devastated by war. We leave behind these relics and we rescue them, we gather them. And then we bring them here to the workshop. Now to some of you, this may look like a lot of old junk, so I want to clarify. Some of this is new. So where stormtroopers see the workers clutter, those who know they see priceless history. And in these times, preserving the past may ensure the future. You've heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes?
Yep.
Good. 2 people have heard Luke Skywalker.
Daddy. Daddy.
There's another. There's a new Jedi. Does anyone know her name?
Ray.
Ray is leading us. That's the spark of hope we've been waiting for, which is why you are here. To look forward and build this.
Where?
Lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes, some of our darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. And today you will feel that connection. Are we ready?
Yep.
Yes. Excellent. Let's begin.
What the?
With the most important element of any lightsaber, the favorite crystal, able to focus the energy of the force and then magnify it. Some call the crystal the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the blade. Now, you may know these from some of the greatest Jedi heroes in history. Blue, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, now Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal.
Ooh, I didn't never knew that.
It's rare, it's beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu.
Whoa, that's rare.
Red. Red has been called color of power. Crystal of Darth Maul.
Red.
Side of interest, Darth Vader. Who else? Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. You are the future. You are our future. We need you. Alright, it's time to choose your crystal. So, let's close our eyes. Close your eyes and go inside your mind's eye. Now, what color do you see? Which color is calling to you? Which color is yours? In your mind's eye, I want you to choose that crystal. And remember, it's equally likely that the crystal is choosing you. Open your eyes, take your crystal.
Oh, green. Green. Good for you.
Alright, excellent. Place exactly right. Place that crystal in the crystal holder right in front of you.
Wow.
That will be
That's
its
green.
temporary home. Now we are going to join the crystal with the saber design that you've selected. We begin by building the hilt, which is the foundation of your lightsaber. This is your center of control. It's the place that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. Inside these boxes, you'll find the lightsaber components you've chosen. Before we start to build, let's just talk through each of the pieces together, become familiar with them. Alright, on the far left, that's the chassis. Then the crystal goes in. On the far right, number 5, those are activation plates. Those come in sets. So it'll be one set or the other. We won't mix those. Numbers 1 and 2 are grips that are 4. You choose any combination of 2. 1 emitter, 1 pommel cap. The gatherers will guide you and assist. Let's build, everyone.
Right, so everyone, let's build your build today. First step, you're going to take that hyper crystal that you selected. Then the small hole that you see right there.
No. Do you even know what you're doing? Sorry. I have to go on the floor for a second. Sorry, Mama.
Perfect.
Ooh, green.
We have red and blue marks right here. You will simply be accompanied by red and blue marks.
Oh, you got purple.
The activation points of your choice in column number 5. One set over the other. Will match up to the blue and the red that you see right here. Snap them together in place. And so ahead and allow you the ability to activate that switch right there in the middle.
Wow. Daddy. Look at so far. Daddy sure likes me. What he is doing.
To lock it in to secure it in the place.
Next, 1 and 2 on your board. You have 4
Ow.
options. The bottom is up to you. Again, if you're looking at mine here, the 5th ring is on one side. The 5th ring is what's going to touch the activation place. You know, on the top, you're going to press it down, twist it to the left, or the bottom. You're going to press it in, twist it to the right. So again, choose one from the top from any of those 4, and one from the bottom from any of those 4. Any of them can go on the top of that piece? Yeah. Just that one. And then if that's the one you want on top, press the other one. You got it. Flip it for it? Yeah, there you go. And then just press that down and twist it to the left.
Perfect. And then, yep, keep one of those for this color right here.
I know that's a, yeah, I was going to say, I know that was
There you go. Right here, just twist all the way through.
Nice choice, Daddy.
You got it.
Lightsaber. Fine. Yay. Wait, I got... What? I had no idea that was a thing. Sorry. Sorry, camera. Sorry. Ow. Okay, here we go.
You got it. You got the one? Perfect.
Wow. That's extra shiny.
Use that same motion and to activate your lightsaber, okay? Everything looks perfect.
Wow. Look at it. It's so nice. Yeah. Dad just need his stick. It's dark in here too. Then this needs blade like that. Just needs this. Wow, let's see. You've had a nice choice, Dada, with the green and then that kind of lightsaber. Look at it. That's his work, not mine. His work. Oh, wait, too far.
All right, everyone, let's bring our focus back to the hill.
Stand on that marker, sweetie. Okay, yeah.
Sorry.
You're fine.
Alright, now the build's complete. Nothing unexpected happened.
Zoom it in so you can see better.
Stabilize these crystal builds. So I need everyone to step back away from their station to create a pathway for our gatherers to walk through. Now, we've entered the most dangerous part of our build. This is our handed to gatherers. It's the crystals themselves. They are not ready for activation until we stabilize them. But they resist it. You might have noticed just getting the crystal into the chassis is not easy. What's happening? What is it?
Many parts thereof now joined they are. Yes, Lightsaber. It begins. It is time.
Mr. Yoda. It's time. Time to take our first step. The bond between builder and saber is about to be forged. In a moment, I will ask you to step forward. You'll place your hand on the completed hilt, and together we'll activate. Builders, step forward. Place your hand on the hilt. Activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers.
There you go.
Whoa.
You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and the Sith that came before you. And like them, you too could change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark.
Weird.
Complete your lightsaber is. Like you when it can, and lead you it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
May the Force be with you, Master Yoda. Thank you. In your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped to the ground. To protect your lightsaber, we are providing a saber sheath as you depart. In a moment, I will call you one group at a time to step through those doors and celebrate your achievement. Our time has come to
So
an end.
sorry, Mama, that you
Your
didn't get to come.
journey is just beginning. It's time to make your mark on the galaxy. I think we should celebrate now. Let's one last time. Let's raise and activate those sabers. Beautiful work.
Red, we have green.
All right, everyone. Right here. Are you ready? To those doors and embark on this journey. Now let's give them just a second. All right. Well done. You're welcome. You're so welcome. The adventure continues. Welcome. Did you get it all?
Yep.